took a lot of time before we have reached the Buyana Parade's first destination here in Calamba Crossing, a competition of the greatest of the great talents. We can see the delegates or the participants of Buhayani preparing for the parade. We can see the smiling, laughing, and excited to present their schools.
Nakakaramdam tayo ng init, pero siguro wala yung ang ina-expect ng bawat isa sa atin, syempre, is bawat isa is supposed to make pain. So, every one of us is striving shape of our life. Sana, sabi nga nila, tayo naman, kami naman, Agadero, may pagkaloob sa atin. Laban.
The smile on their faces completely matched their colorful props and costumes. The atmosphere seems to be lively and energetic. It is an honor indeed to witness the enthusiasm of each participant enduring the scorching sun's heat just to perform.
Mga bayani ng ating lahi, sama-sama
Taglay at tangkin ay di may tatanggi sa Calamba ng galing.
Sigat Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani, inalay